Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Add to Cart button on collection pages in Shopify's Dawn theme. This is a great feature to activate because it allows your customers to quickly add products to their cart directly from your collection pages without having to click through to individual product pages first. It streamlines the shopping experience and can help boost conversions by reducing the number of steps needed to make a purchase. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From these options, click on Online Store. This section is where you'll manage your store's appearance and theme settings. It's the hub for all your design customization. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see your current active theme displayed. Right beside your theme preview, you'll notice an Edit Theme button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Theme Customization Editor where you can make visual and functional changes to how your store looks and operates. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a drop-down menu that currently says Homepage. Click on this drop-down and a list of different page types will appear. From this list, click on Collections. This will show you the various collection page templates available. Select Default Collection to access the standard layout that most of your collection pages use. Now focus your attention on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see all the sections that make up your collection page layout. These sections control different parts of the page, from headers to product displays. Scroll through this list and click on Product Grid. This section specifically controls how your products are displayed in a grid format on collection pages. After clicking Product Grid, the right side of the screen will update to show all the settings available for this section. Look through these options until you find one labeled Quick Add. This setting is exactly what we need to enable the Add to Cart functionality. You'll notice it gives you three choices: None, Standard, or Bulk. The None option means no Quick Add button will appear. Standard adds a simple Add to Cart button, while Bulk is designed for customers who want to add multiple quantities at once. For most stores, you'll want to click Standard. This option provides a clean, straightforward Add to Cart button that appears when customers hover over or view products in your collection grid. It's the perfect balance between functionality and simplicity. Once you've selected Standard, don't forget to save your changes. Look up to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Your browser might take a moment to process and save these changes, so give it a few seconds to complete, and that's it. You've now enabled the Add to Cart button on your collection pages, making it easier for customers to shop and improving their overall experience on your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.